Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sapna Raghuvanshi, and hope guys that you must be doing great in your life, and also you must be practicing and enjoying all the process of learning English as a language, because we all are here for sounding confident, for feeling confident while speaking English. And yes, my dear friend, I'm feeling so much happy and good, because yes, nowadays I can say, I can claim that I'm feeling very much confident in speaking English. And it doesn't matter, like sometime I'm getting stuck somewhere, and also sometime I'm getting stuck to convey about any random topic, something. But yes, I'm not feeling underconfident, but yes, I'm not feeling shy and hesitant, and that is the great achievement, and that is the great success that I achieved during my English learning journey. And today guys, I want to share something about my journey. No, my dear friends, actually I won't share something about my journey, because if I start sharing about my journey, so my video will be quite boring, and I don't want to make it boring. So let's only talk about something, my feeling, and also your feeling, if means whatever you are facing during your learning English, and how much happiness inside you. Just please let me know in my comment box. Okay, I'm eagerly waiting for your comment, my dear friends. And yes, so I'm going to share about my feeling. Like nowadays I'm feeling very much happy, and I am feeling very excited also, just because nowadays I'm very much confident to face camera, and to face any random people, because you know very well guys that in my initial day when I started my journey, and it's not a very long time, I have started my journey, I think in means June summer vacation. I have created my channel in July, I think, yes. But yes, I can say guys that when I created my channel, so since that day I just became consistent, and also I can say that yes, that was the starting point of my journey. And when I started my channel and speaking English through my motivational story, so these all were my learning process. But yes guys, you know very well about it, all these things, so let it be. And nowadays I'm just saying like, yes, I'm feeling very much confident, and like comfortable in English speaking with anyone. And also in my initial day I was not able to face camera, and whenever I was talking to myself even in camera, so I was just feeling like whatever I was going to talk, I was completely forgetting everything. But nowadays not doing such type of things, means whatever I want to speak, I'm just speaking. And sometimes whatever I don't want to speak, that type of speaking also coming out from my mouth. So but yes guys, this all feeling are quite fantastic and amazing, I can say. And if you are also on this way to learn English as a language, you should also try to do the same things as I'm doing. Try to start your journey, as I always mentioned, in which you are comfortable at first. By doing this, just start your journey, and after that, very soon you will find yourself able to do means to do anything in English. Like as I started by storytelling, because I was so much comfortable in storytelling. So if you are also comfortable in storytelling, so just start by storytelling. Okay, if you are not comfortable in storytelling, so just start your journey by making your self-talk video. Like, yes, now just look, I'm talking to myself, because yes, I'm talking to you, but you are not in front of my eyes. So I can say like, I'm making my self-talk video. So this type of video you can also make, means try to speak whatever just randomly coming in your mind. Don't think anything, just try to speak only. Okay, so in this way sometime you must feel like, yes, you are doing such funny things and whatever, but just you just do Whatever thinking is coming in your mind, like this type of negative thinking, just avoid it and try to speak with yourself, because we all are comfortable to talk with ourselves. And do you know one thing, like when you start enjoying your journey, so means the word like difficult will never come in your life. When you consider all the things as a hurdle, and you when you start overwhelming your mind, so definitely you will feel yourself frustrated. So don't try to do this. Try to do means all the process, like whatever you are doing, listening, reading, means if you want to read, only then you should read. If you don't want to read, so don't read forcefully. Never try to do this. If you start doing something forcefully, so definitely you will get yourself so much frustrated. Means if you really want to read, only then read. And if you really want to listen, only then listen. Don't try to think like this, oh, I'm just on this way of learning English, so I'm just it's for me it's obligatory to listen something, so I have to listen. Just suppose you are very busy and you are not feeling good, and you don't feel like to listen, so that time don't listen something. And when you are, because yes guys, I was also doing all these things in my initial day. I was thinking like, yes, doing this thing is compulsory, I have to do anyhow, means even though I'm not feeling to do, but yes, I have to do. So this was the worst thing. So when you start doing all the things willingly, and you start enjoying your journey, so very soon you will find your journey itself become easier for you. And when you overwhelm your mind by learning all the things, by doing all the process means forcefully, so you will find yourself frustrated. So don't do this. But yes, if just suppose today you feel like to read, so read. And but yes, whatever you read, just try to speak those things. Okay. And yes, if you feel like to listen, to try to listen, and whatever you are listen, just try to speak those things. So just do this thing, because yes guys, in my initial day I did these things. And which type of mistake I was doing, as I mentioned, sometime I was just overwhelming my mind. I was doing everything just reluctantly, forcefully. So this was the worst thing. Never do this. When you are not feeling good, you are feeling yourself under the weather, so yes, that moment you can escape. But yes, try to think in English, means whatever you are feeling. And yes, try to enjoy all the process of your learning English as a language. And very soon you will find your journey itself becomes so beautiful. And nowadays I can say that I'm enjoying my learning. I have lots of responsibility, I have lots of work to do, but still meanwhile I'm doing my English speaking practice as I'm doing now. You should also try to do this, and in this way you will find yourself, when you start speaking English, you will find that yes, automatically just English speaking is coming from your mouth. Okay, so do all these things. But yes, my dear friend, willingly and happily, and just try to enjoy. Don't overwhelm your mind, and don't do anything forcefully. If you do forcefully something, so you will not get good result. Okay, so if you really want to get a good result by your practice, means whatever you are doing, reading, listening, speaking, shadowing, so yes, do willingly and enjoy all the process. So with this beautiful hope, my dear friend, let's say bye bye and take care. We will meet very soon.